Official definition of self-discipline is the ability to control one's feeling and overcomes one's weakness. Awesome. It's the ability to pursue what one think is right, disappear, temptation to abandon it. See the problems with you is you rarely exercise your self discipline muscles. You just go to the flow, no backbone whatsoever. And that's perfectly fine until you start whining and complaining about your lack of success, whining and complaining about your lack of progress, whining and complaining that you are not gaining any momentum and you can't see to get ahead in life. See, self discipline begins with the mystery of your thoughts. If you don't control what you think, you can't control what you do. So I don't need you to talk to me about your failures. Don't talk to me about your setbacks. Don't talk to me about the lack of success you are achieving because I'm that one. I am the one that will tell you the exact reason why you are failing. You are failing because on a daily basis you fail to exercise your self-discipline muscles. On a daily basis you fail to sacrifice. You are failing because on a daily basis you fail to come up with a plan. On a daily basis you fail to get uncomfortable. You fail to push past your limit and you fail to believe in yourself. So, this is the moment that you stop managing your problems. This is the moment you stop managing your issues. This is the moment you stop managing your lack of focus. This is the moment that you stop managing your lack of self discipline. This is the time for you to take ownership. It's a time for you to take on the fact that you are the reason. It's a time for you to own the fact and that you are the one that exercising your lazy muscles. It's a time for you to own the fact that you are the one that exercising your do nothing muscle. You are the one that exercising your negative mindset muscle. You are the one that exercising no willpower muscle. But it's okay because so many others, include myself, were once in the exact same place that you are right, and then be sat down and had a heart to heart conservation with ourselves, be self assessed, and took complete ownership for all of the lack of success that we achieving. Then we made a decision to flip the switch and made necessary changes to go into the kitchen of our lives and cook up a dish of massive success. And we quickly realized that a key ingredient is self-discipline. See, self-discipline is the bridge between goal and accomplishment. Self-discipline is the magic power that makes your worldly unstoppable. Self-discipline is the central for the universe for success. Self-discipline is doing within while you are doing nothing. And what that means is when your friends are begging you to hang out and you say no because you are way too busy, grinding hard to put yourself in a position to win in your game of life. I love this quote from late great Zig Ziglar. He said, when you do the things you ought to do, when you ought to do them, The day will come when you can do the things that you want to do. When you want to do them, see without self discipline, success is not possible. Period. So I need you to ask yourself, do you have the strength to say no when so many others say yes? I need you to ask yourself, do you have the strength to keep working when so many of our friends are playing? I need you to ask yourself, do you have the strength to keep going when so many others are stopping? I need you to ask yourself, do you have the strength to keep fighting when the others are throwing in the towel? Because if your answer is yes to all of those questions, you will be on the way to joining 1% club. You were well on the way to live in the life of dreams. So now is the time for you to hit the gym of your life and start exercising your self-discipline muscles. No more talk, no more excuse for this moment forward. It's all about massive execution. Will there be days that you don't feel like it? Yes. Will there be days that you want to stop? Yes. Will there be days that you want to give up? Yes. Will there be days that you want to quit? Yes. Listen to me. Quitting is never an option. So get up and do it anyway, because when you push up yourself, do and you get started, you will be amazed and how all of a sudden have the energy you need to get it done. Sometimes you have a trick to yourself and say, I am just going to spend 5 minutes working on this project. You get started and all of a sudden an hour later you are not only completed, but you also feel an amazing sense of pride and accomplishment. I want you to understand this. You will not always be motivated to do something, so you have to force yourself to be disciplined, because those are undisciplined allow moods, empathies, passions, and temptations to dominate their lives. But that is not longer who you are, because you are now officially part of these 8 club. You are now officially part of the winner club. You are now officially part of the champion club. You are now officially part of the those with self-discipline club, because you now understand that with self-discipline all things are possible. You now understand the great leader always have self-discipline. You now understand that entrepreneurs always have self-discipline. You now understand that champion always have self-discipline. You now understand that great athletes always have self-discipline, because they understand that the self-discipline is about controlling your desire and impulse while staying focused on what need to get done to achieve your goal. The late great Kobe Bryant said, I don't understand lazy people. We don't speak the same language. We don't speak. I don't understand you, and I don't understand what you are thinking. See, Kobo understand that at the center of bringing any dream, any goal, or any success into fruition is the little thing we like to call self-discipline. how you will go from below average to average, from average to good, from good to great, from great to phenomenal. Yes, you ordinary. You you want to lose the weight, you want to get a six pack, you want to get that job promotion, you want to graduate from college with a bachelor's or master's or PhD, you want to start that business, you want to make their team, you want to become the best version of yourself. You have to remember all success start with self discipline, it start with you. Abraham Lincoln said discipline is choosing between what you want now and what you want most. You only have two options: suffer the pain of discipline or suffer the pain of regards. The choice is yours.